Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
When we're talking roofing, roof integrity, at what age on a foam roof should I start thinking? Ideally, when you get done, you're already starting to save for the replacement, just because, nothing lasts forever, and especially, what gets the most sun, the most beating day in and day out is our roofs. But at what age should I start thinking, all right, I need to be in a 2-3 year plan to stay ahead of this and replace before I end up with water damage, roof damage, and the adverse effects of what could happen if I wait till, I've got leaks and problems to replace it.
So we've got some roofs that are still, sprayed 30 years ago. They've kept up on recoating. The recoating is a big part of it, keeping up every 5 to 10 years, recoating that. But for the most part, it seems, that 20, 25 years is when they really start to crack and come apart and just disintegrate. But yeah, they'll last. You should get several years out of it, anyways. 20 to 30, I would estimate.
Which is a pretty good span. It's longer than you're going to get from most your old roofings, by far.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.